This is the elevator. Another street elevator at Shipilovskaya metro station in Moscow. It used to be a down button, but it's now being replaced with one button. Speaker sounds sick. Here's the electric shock symbol controlling box. And listen to this chime. I don't know why the strange position right there. There's a strange position. The hallway indicator is not even in the middle. Basic cab, -1. Don't close button does not work. I think it's broken. Whoa! The floor indicator has already been vandalized. Capacity 630 kilograms, 8 persons. Installed 2011. Then let's go back up to 1. Don't close button worked that time. Cab view. Basic elevator. These are your fixture step module. Listen. Oh, you can see those wires. And here back at 1. Watch the door close. And here's the another street elevator. I just missed it. There it goes, and that's it. And before I stop the camera, unfortunately, the platform elevator is now broken down. But I filmed it, fortunately, before it breaks down. So anyways, that's